Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video, I'm going to show you the power of the blend tool and how easily you can make something like this or anything in that same realm. I'm going to take a five-sided polygon and I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perfect. I'm going to get the shape tool. I'm going to select these top two. I'm going to right click and turn them into a curve. And by doing that, you're going to make this shape and pretty much do whatever you want to with it. We're going to call that good. Well, I don't like this needs to be more of a curve. And then I'm going to make that one blue by right clicking. I want it something other than a hairline. That may be too thick. Then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation and move it anywhere in there really. I'm going to make that one yellow. Now it's going to be the same thickness. Now I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend it 999 times, which is the most Corel will let you do. And look at that. I'm not really excited about the colors. But if you look at it with a black background. Now, one thing I'm going to do, and I've kind of always wanted to do this. Let me back up and let's change the colors to black and a gray, a really light gray. Now let's blend them 999 times. Doesn't look too spectacular till you put a black box around it. And by doing that, it's going to really show off the blend object order backup page. I mean, look at that. It almost looks like fan blades and they're going into infinity. And, you know, we could have changed that. And, well, let's just change it real quick. Let's go, instead of a gray, let's use a white. Let's select that one and make it white. Can't really even see it, but if you blend it, look at this. Well, kind of get the same aspect, it's just a little wider. I don't like that sharp tip, so I would remove it next time. But that's pretty cool. I mean, that would be something pretty neat printed on a t-shirt. And you could have as many sizes you want. It doesn't really show the folds in the blend like the other one does. I just wasn't happy with the colors. I'm going to try it one more time. Let me just back up here and let's change the colors. Let's go with this burnt orange. And if you make it thicker, it'll look better. If you use a hairline, let's see, go burnt orange to yellow, see what happens. Maybe that'll be a good pick. Pretty cool. Anyway, see, it kind of looks like a folded ribbon. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.